Installing urinals and accessories.
You will need one set of urinal with complete accessories, measuring tape, electric drill with beads, hangers and bolts, wrenches,
Push valve.
silicone caulk, leveling tools, and Teflon tape. First, measure and mark the urinal's layout. Unpack and inspect the urinal for damage, defects, and cracks. Install hangers at the correct height if they are required. Otherwise, locate bolts to fasten the fixture to the wall framing. Bolt the urinal to the wall, making certain that it is level.
Install the push valve. Work carefully to avoid scratching or otherwise damaging the chrome-plated parts.
Seal the connections to secure pipings. Cover the fixture and post a sign marked "Do Not Use" to protect the fixture until the project is finished.